Hello and welcome. You're now looking at the website for Camtasia Studio by the company TechSmith. And Camtasia is a screen recording application along with an integrated video editor. And it's typically used to create video tutorials as well as video presentations. It will allow you to record and annotate your screen. And it has a number of features typically included in presentation style software. It will also allow you to capture your webcam to do live action video. And as of the recording of this video, there's specific pricing for Camtasia. However, you can evaluate the software with a free trial. And you can use the most recent version whenever you are seeing this video for 30 days. No credit card is required for the trial, and you can download the software for either Windows or the Mac. Now, before you download the trial, it's a good idea to look at the system requirements so that you can test to find out if your system will be able to handle the video production portion of Camtasia. And in those system requirements, you will see both minimum specifications and recommended specifications. You will see them both for a Windows environment and a Mac environment. Now, for the sake of this course, we will use a Windows environment in order to work with Camtasia. And in the next video, we will undertake the process of downloading and installing Camtasia. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.